when you start with the cake mix, slowly put it in the bowl. Yeah, put it in the bowl. Slowly. Yeah, slowly. Yeah, put it in the bowl. Put it in. All of it. Put in all of it. Yeah. Put it in, look down and put it in. Say first of all. Okay. That goes to the garbage. No, you can leave that. You can put that in too. Slowly. So that's the cake mix. What is it? Cake mix. Yeah. Put it on the bowl. Yeah, put it. Oh, slowly, slowly. There is no rush.
Oh no.
Now you have to put the milk. Put the milk in the bowl. It's heavy. Use both hands. Yes, put it in. Good job. Nice. Okay. Now please put the egg. Good job. Nice.
Wow.
Good job.
Wow.
So you're done with those two. Now is the oil time. Hold here and put the oil. All of it. Nice. And put it here. Okay, that's it. Now slowly try to mix it. Use the other hand, please. How kitty cat bow?
Kitty cat.
Yeah, good. It's coming out.
Oh.
It's good. It's good. ঠিক আছে, it's good.